Hi, this is Sneha. I welcome you all to Sneha's Delight Cooking. This is the travel vlog to Snowdonia National Park, Wales, sequel 2. And if you haven't watched part 1, the link is there in the description. Please do watch. So, here we are in the Port Marion. It's an Italian style village with very beautiful and colorful houses. It takes about an hour by drive to get to this place from Ogwen. That's where we were staying, and it's an ideal day out. It's got a very beautiful views with very romantic and colorful houses, just like Italy. And here you can see when we just come out of that houses, there's a small pathway which lead you to a big sea, and there's a shell house. Oh my god, it was so beautiful. You need to book the tickets online before the visit, and it need at least a day to cover the whole place. It's a huge place, and you have a small swimming pool, and also a play area for kids, and you have a beach, you have a cafe, you have a spa, and you also have some cottages which were all closed during our visit. And this is a must visit place, and kids will love it too, but they just need to be supervised, as you can see some terrace going up, and there are some beautiful buildings. It's not safe for kids to go alone there, but it's a must visit place. There's a small swimming pool here for the kids to enjoy, and we had a lovely day. It's an absolute treat to the eyes to see these colorful houses. It was like we were in a fairy village. We spent a day here because of its vibrant colors. Kids loved it too. I'm sure you will enjoy this place as well. Do visit it. Please don't miss it. And after this, we are heading to another village, that is Bet Visi Kuwait. So it's called Prayer House in the Hood, and it's got some tourist attractions like Ugly House. Okay, it's a tea room, antique shop, and tourist attraction. I don't know why they name it as Ugly House, but this is one of the beautiful houses I ever seen in my life. It's got like a fairy house. Behind that house, you have a path which leads to the woods. It's a beautiful place. And after this, we went to the high street for shopping, and here we are in the high street. It's like one big circle, and the village was so beautiful with small lake views and everything. So this is the exciting part, shopping finally. So here we have like one big circle for shopping, and you have all the shops like craft shop, souvenir shop, and you also have some ice cream shops, cafe, and everything. You have one more attraction here, that is Pont Pear Bridge. It's nothing but a bridge over the river, and you have views on either side. It's so beautiful. It's full of rocks, so it's a best place to capture some beautiful moments, take some pictures. After this, we headed to South Stack Lighthouse Angel Say to view the sunset. I must say we fell in love with this place. The views while driving, and also the lighthouse and the mountains and the natural scenery was so amazing. Will leave you speechless, and it's so magical. This lighthouse is open to visitors, but due to COVID restrictions, it was closed at the time we visited. But it's like you have a passage which is very steep that goes to the lighthouse, and while going down, you won't feel anything, but while coming up, it's a task. And you can see that we just went off the way and we couldn't go further, but we took some pictures and enjoyed the view and getting ready for the fun horse ride the next day. This is our last day in Snowdonia, and we had a fun day riding horses. The girls had an opportunity to ride the pony twice. They loved it, and I was initially scared, but later made a friend, that is Siplo, and she was so caring and gentle. I thoroughly enjoyed it. So this is it. We are coming to the end of this travel vlog. It's a very beautiful place, must visit place. I'm sure this video will be a bit of information to you all, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And I have also posted a few more places which we missed, and during your visit, make sure that you visit those places and have a great time. You can also follow me on my Insta page, Sneha's Delight Cooking, and I will come back with yet another interesting video. Till then, it's Sneha signing off. Stay safe.